Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is CraDejaC if you've never been here before. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful red luscious color on this hair. This hair is from Sunber company. I want to thank you guys for sending over these bundles, and yeah, let's pretty much get into it. So when I first got the bundles, of course they were black bundles. They look really good and luscious and everything like that. If you want a detailed review on this hair, then you can head on over to my other video. I will have the link in the description box for you, and I'll give you a full review on this hair and the specs. I do have a 18-inch frontal, 20-inch bundle, 22 and 22. So those are the specs of the hair. So the first thing that I did was, of course, I had to bleach the hair. I did bleach the hair using BW2 and of course CraDejaC developer as well. If you guys want to see a detailed tutorial on how I bleach my hair, there's already a video up on my channel. I will drop that link in the description box below. After bleaching the hair, I did realize that, hey, like, it kind of was a little splotchy, whatnot. I didn't really know what was going on, but of course I had to re-bleach the hair. So by me re-bleaching the hair, of course it got lighter than what I really wanted it to be. Initially I wanted this hair to be a magenta kind of color, but with me lightening the hair as much as I did, it did come out in a red, very beautiful, very vibrant red color, and yeah, that was that. Altogether, I bleached the hair about two and a half times just to get some spots out and everything like that. And after I bleached the hair, I let it air dry. Don't manipulate the hair. Don't manipulate it. Nothing. I let it air dry, and then I created my wig. So after I created my wig, I did use the Adore hair colors. I used 2 magentas and 1 intense red. They were $4.99 at my local beauty supply store, and I bought a huge tube from Walmart so I could lay my wig in and it could, you know, color evenly and everything like that. Put the water in. I used all of the intense red. I used all of 1 magenta, and I used about 1/4 of the other water of magenta that I had. And initially what I noticed that the hair was, it looked like the color that I wanted it to be. It looked like magenta, thought it was gonna be dark and pretty and luscious and all that stuff, but to my surprise, it had other plans, and this is the hair color that I got right here. Am I upset at the color? I am not. I actually kind of like it. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all for this video. This is how I got this beautiful luscious hair right here that you are seeing. Again, this is Sunber hair, and all of the specs and the review for this hair will be in another video, so don't forget to click it. I'm sure I'm going to put it on the screen somewhere or whatnot. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.